hope you all had a fabulous and a nice weekend. I hope you're good. Mko poa. As for me, my weekend was not that late because I was a little bit sick. Nimekuwa nikiumwa hizi siku mbili. I was not feeling well. But I thank God it's Monday. For me, I don't call it Blue Monday. I call it Breast Monday. Indeed, it's a Breast Monday. Namshukuru Mungu nimepata tena kibali. And the journey is proceeding. Tunaendelea kufinalize the advanced level ili tuweze kumaster up some things ili tuweze kuingia uwanjani, lakini mpaka kuingia uwanjani hapo katikati kuna process vingi. So join with me in this session of today. So guys, today tunapitia the application of high time frame series. So stay tuned with me.
Everyone, and welcome to the high time frame application series. We've just been through all of the methods we're going to use, ranging from structure to supply and demand and liquidity and talk about the top-down approach to high time frame trading. The first step to any successful trading, whether it is swing trading or day trading, is successful top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is the process of starting on how to position stop losses, how to find clear targets, how to manage trades, and all of that stuff after this. But this is the first starting point, understanding the top-down approach and how we start on those high time frames like the weekly, and then move down from the weekly when we have the direction plan to the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute, and so on, to actually find refined entries with very tight stops and very big risk reward potential. So I hope this has been a useful introduction to top-down analysis trading, and I'm looking forward to teaching you some more stuff over the next few videos so that we can start to apply this to real markets. In the last video, I showed you a first look into the top-down process for high time frame trading. Top-down analysis is very important, and it's good that we went through it, but I imagine at the moment for a few of you, it may have gone over your head. It may be looking a little bit too deep when we haven't really spoken about how to put the processes into action. So it was really just a first little look. Now, or you may want to finish till the end of this high time frame section so you know exactly how to look for trades. But refining entries is very important if you want to take high risk reward opportunities. So it's one thing, really go and test. You might want to back test this now, or you may want to finish till the end of this high time frame section so you know exactly how to look for trades. But refining entries is very important if you want to take high risk reward opportunities. So it's one thing that you definitely cannot slack on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Analysis, and we've been through refining zones. It very much comes down to what we spoke about towards the end of the previous video. We have our setup formulated on the higher time frames, and now we want to find the best place to buy or sell from. Following on with this,
as you can see guys, we are passing through the higher time frame series. Na hapo mwanzo tulikuwa tuna introduction, we had to pass through the application of top down analysis, tukaja kwenye refining zones, tukaja kwenye finding setups, then we went through the finding entries, furthermore we went to finding targets, tukaja episode 7 where we were going through stops ama tunaweza kusema stop losses, tukaja kwenye trade management, episode 9 tukawa tuna reversal example, and in conclusion kwenye episode 10 tukawa tuna continuation example. So see you in my next episode ambapo tutakuwa tunaongelea lower time frame series. So guys, winding up this chapter doesn't mean it's the end of the journey. We are still keeping up mpaka tupate matokeo. But one thing I want to remind you, there'll never be another you. Make the most of yourself. And there'll never be another now, so make the most of today. Every beginner is the winner, so begin to win. See you in my next session.